Hi everybody, Kevin here. I'm going to showcase my final project now. Um, as you can see, it's the middle of the night before. So here we go. My app is called Peekaboo Math Safari. It's a game that I wrote for my 10-year-old daughter. Um, she's just completing 4th grade, and she likes to practice her math facts and everything, but she really hates flashcards. So what I wrote was a game that kind of does the same thing as math flashcards, but it gives you a little bit of a reward and a little bit of a bonus. The premise is you choose an operation and it pops up math problems, and as you answer them correctly, you piece by piece reveal a picture of a cute animal. It's a random cute animal that it generates. I've got 13 or 14 of them loaded in there, and it's behind a wall of black tiles, and you play to release the animal, and it's really cute and fun for them, and it helps with their math. Over here in my game logic, I have the 4 algorithms for doing the actual math. It's the basic straightforward stuff. This one just adds them together. Subtraction, all I have to do is make sure that the second number is smaller than the first one or equal to it. For multiplication, I just keep it single digit, or up to 10 actually, so that it never goes over what the spinner has. And for division, I just use a modulo check to make sure that the first number is divisible by the second, and to make sure that we don't get any division by 0, because that's a hell of a thing and you can't do it. So that's how it works. Now let's just go on ahead and showcase it here. I've already got my simulator warmed up here. And there it is, Peekaboo Math Safari. Alright, and let's say we're going to do some multiplication. Alright, and it just pops up another activity. Okay, we go 8 times 4. Of course, I'm going to demonstrate that I'm a computer scientist and not a mathematician. But I'm pretty sure that that's 32. And submit answer. And see, it pops up a little piece. And then as we do things that are correct, it reveals the thing little by little. If you choose the wrong answer, oops, it covers one back up. So the kids have to make sure that they don't just guess. They have to actually think about it and get the right answers. Otherwise, they don't ever get there. And it gives them an incentive to actually do it properly. And then just as you do this, you got to do it. You got to get 8 more right answers than wrong answers in order to release the whole animal. One more here, and of course it would be one that I had to scroll way down for. We want that total there. And when you win, it just pops up a little toast. It says you freed the animal and everything except for the back to menu thing. And then you can just go back here and pick something else and do that. Now, when you're doing these, just to show you, okay, see, this one's obviously going to be a wolf. It does handle rotation. Let me see if I can hold the camera and hit this at the same time. I had to get real creative with how I... Are you kidding me? I had to get real creative with how I did this, because it's really hard to transfer all of these states of all of these views that are covering this up, and I couldn't just encode it into one single object, because that's not the way that I implemented it in the code. But in the end, it came out well, and it's really a lot of fun. And my daughter's already played it. She enjoys it. Even my wife, actually, I caught her playing it because I installed it on her phone. So anyway, that's essentially it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much.